welcome back again in Vedika's tutorial. So today we are going to solve few word problems related to our previous video, that is perimeter and area. Yes, this video is based on the previous video. In the previous video I have explained you how we can form the perimeter and area, how we can find the formulas and how to solve the questions. Okay, so today in this video we are going to talk about few words problems related to that. Okay, so let's quickly get started. Here on the board you can see that here I have written few questions, so we are going to solve all the questions one by one. Okay, so let's solve the first question first. Okay, a tabletop measures 3 meter 75 centimeter by 2 meter 70 centimeter. So from the first statement what we can get that it is talking about a tabletop which is rectangular in shape. Okay, so this is the tabletop which is rectangular in shape, and what are its lengths? Okay, what are its measurement? It is 3 meter 75 centimeter by 2 meter 70 centimeter in length. This is its measurement. Now the second statement of the question says find its perimeter. Yeah, we have to find the perimeter. Now you all know that perimeter of rectangle is 2 length plus breadth. Okay, so here length and breadth is given, but there are 2 units. Okay, so first of all we have to change it in a single unit. Either we can change it in meter or in centimeter. So let's convert it into centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, therefore 3 meter 75 centimeter will get converted into 300 plus 75, that is 375 centimeter. Likewise 2 meter 70 centimeter will get converted into 200 plus 70, that is 270 centimeter. Okay, now find the perimeter. 2 length will be 375 plus breadth will be 270. Okay, now we have to solve the bracket first. So 2, 5 plus 0, 5, 7 plus 7, 14, for 4 carry 1, 3 plus 2, 5 and 1, 6. Now when we have to multiply it with 2, 5 into 2, 10, 4 into 2, 8 plus 1, 9, 6 into 2, 12. That is 1290 centimeter. Now we have to write in a proper way as it is. So we write it like 12 meter 90 centimeter. Okay, 12 meter 90 centimeter is the perimeter of the tabletop. Okay, likewise let's see what is the question number second. Question number second is find the cost of fencing the square park. Okay, so here we have to find the cost of fencing. Now the side of the square park is 250 meter. Okay, so our question number 2 is talking about a park which is square in shape, and what is its length? It is of 250 meter, means all the side is same as 250 meter. Okay, so we have to find the cost of fencing. So before find the cost of fencing, we need to find the perimeter of the square, and the perimeter of the square is 4 into A. So 4 into 250, which is equal to 1000 centimeter. Okay, now cost of fencing is perimeter into rate. Okay, cost of fencing is equal to perimeter into rate. So what is the rate? Rate is 20 per meter and the perimeter is 1000. So 1000 into 20, which is equal to rupees 20,000. So we can write like the cost of fencing of a square park is rupees 20,000. Now one very important thing I want to say, that whenever we are solving the question related to word problem, we have to write the answer also in full statement. So here what we can write, therefore cost of fencing the square park is rupees 20,000. Okay, we have to write in full statement. Now let's see what is the third question. Third question is the length of the rectangular field. Again the question is of rectangle. Okay, so we have to draw a rectangle. Okay, by drawing the figure it is easy for us to solve the question. The length of the rectangular field is 80 meter. So here suppose that this is the length. Okay, this is 80 meter. Now if the perimeter of the field, so length is given that is 80. Okay, length is 80 meter and perimeter is 260 meter. Find its breadth. Here the breadth is missing. We have to find the breadth of the rectangular field. So most of the children get confused how to find the breadth. No issue if you know the formula. Formula is perimeter is equal to 2L plus B. So in the place of perimeter we write 260 is equal to 2, length is equal to 80 plus B. Okay, now 260 is equal to 2 into 80, 160 plus 2B, 2 into B, 2B. Now 2B is equal to what? When we have to subtract 160 from 260. So 2B is equal to 100. Now breadth is equal to 100 divided by 2, 50 centimeter. So what is the breadth? Breadth is 50 centimeter. Okay. So we can also check whether our answer is correct or not. So 2L plus B, we can write it like 2 in the length 80 plus breadth is equal to 50. Okay. Now 2, 8 plus 5, 13. Okay. Now 130 into 2 is equal to 260 meter. So we can here check also that whether our answer is correct or not. So these are a few questions. Let's see few more questions related to area and perimeter of the square and rectangle. So here is our question number 4. Find the distance walked by Mohit if he walks 3 rounds of a square park of side 70 meter. So question number 4 is again talking about square shape park. Okay, there is a park which is square in shape. Now the side is 70 meter. The side of the square park is 70 meter. So here find the distance. We need to find the distance walked by Mohit and he has walked 3 rounds of the square park. Okay. So what will be our answer? 3 into dimension. Okay, 3 into dimension. So he have take 3 rounds. Okay, so what is the dimension of the first round? Definitely 3 into perimeter of the park. 3 into perimeter of park. Okay, so what is the perimeter of the park? This is a square, so perimeter will be 4 into side, that is 3 into 4 into side. 4 into side means 4 into 70. Okay, now 3 into 7 into 4, 280, it is meter. Now 3 into 280 is equal to 3 into 0, 0, 3 into 8, 24, carry 2, 3 into 2, 6, 8, 40 meter. So what distance has been walked by Mohit? 840 meter distance has been walked by Mohit. Okay, now let's see the second question number 5. Question number 5 is the 2 sides of a triangular flag. Yes, I have given this question. Why? Because it is perimeter and for triangle there is nothing an important formula or something to find the perimeter of the triangle. Okay, it is talking about a triangular flag and to find the figure of any closed figure, I have explained in the first video, we need to add the perimeters. So here the 2 sides of the perimeter flag, the 2 sides are given, that is one is 30 and the second one is 40 centimeter. Now we have to find the length of the third side if the perimeter is 130. So suppose A plus B plus C are the 3 sides of the triangle and the perimeter is 130. So we know two sides, that is 30 plus 40 plus C is equal to 130. Okay, now we need to find the length of C. So 30 plus 40, 70 plus C is equal to 130. So what will be the value of C? 130 minus 70, that is equal to 60 centimeter. Okay, so the length of the third side is 60 centimeter. Again we need, don't forget to write the full statement. The length of the third side of the triangular flag is 60 centimeter. Okay, likewise let's solve the sixth question, that is how many square tiles with dimension 5 centimeter can be fixed on a small surface whose length is 48 centimeter and breadth is 25 centimeter. So here the question is talking about number of tiles. Okay, we need to find the number of tiles. So whenever there is question coming to you to find the number of tiles, nothing to do, area of the figure by area of the tiles. Okay, so here the area of the figure is what? The area of the figure is rectangle, that is 48 into 25. Okay, so it will be written like 48 into 25 divided by, we need to write the area of the tiles. So this tiles is a square in shape, so its area will be side into side, that is 5 into 5. Okay, now 5 into 5, 25, 25 and 25 will get cut out. Now 48 is our required answer. So the number of tiles is 48. So in this way we can solve the questions related to perimeter and area. Okay, we have solved 6 various different types of word problems related to both the topics, even with the triangle example also. In the next video we will solve more questions which is valuable for you. So stay tuned and stay connected with the channel Vedika's Tutorial. And if you are watching my video for the first time, please like and subscribe my channel Vedika's Tutorial for new updates and notification. Thank you.